Comfort is the coffin they build around your dreams. Listen to me. Comfort is not your friend. Comfort is the silent assassin creeping into your life, smiling at you, whispering sweet lies. Take it easy. You've earned a break. Don't push too hard. And every time you listen, every time you give in, you bury a piece of your destiny. Think about it. How many dreams died in a soft bed? How many warriors surrendered their fire for the safety of comfort? Comfort feels good in the moment, but it robs you of the hunger, the drive, the fight that greatness demands. Lions don't get comfortable. They don't stop hunting. They don't sit back satisfied while the world moves forward. Champions don't choose comfort. They choose the battlefield. They choose the grind, the sweat, the pain, because they know pain is the price of progress. You weren't created to sit still. You were created to grow. You were built to climb mountains, to break barriers, to set fire to mediocrity. Comfort is death. Discomfort is life. Every rep, every early morning, every sacrifice, these are the flames that forge kings. So when comfort calls, don't answer. When your body screams for rest, when your mind says quit, rise up and move anyway. Do you want to change your life? Then kill comfort before it kills you. Burn the couch. Step into the storm. Chase the pain. Embrace the grind. Comfort will rob you of everything. But discomfort will make you unstoppable. Excuses are the prison guards of failure. Look around. How many people are chained to the ground, never rising, never reaching their potential? They're not held back by a lack of talent. They're not held back by the system. They're held back by excuses. Their own excuses. Excuses sound like protection, but they're lies. I'm too tired. I don't have time. I don't have the right connections. Lies. Every single one. Excuses don't save you. They enslave you. They're chains that lock your destiny inside a cage. You say you don't have time? You do. You waste it scrolling, watching, sitting in comfort. You say you don't have energy? You do. You pour it into distractions instead of your dream. You say it's not the right moment. There is no right moment. There is only now. Excuses feel safe, but they keep you small. And small is not why you're here. You're here to rise. You're here to build. You're here to break chains, not wear them. So here's the truth. If you want to change, if you want to break free, you must rip out the excuses from your life. Stop saying can't. Stop saying later. Stop saying if only. Replace them with I will. Replace them with now. You are stronger than your excuses. You are greater than your excuses. And when you finally stop protecting your weakness and start feeding your strength, the chains will shatter. You'll rise. You'll move. You'll conquer. No more excuses. No more chains. Only freedom. Only fire. Fear is the thief standing between you and your crown. Fear is the great robber of dreams. It doesn't come with noise. It doesn't come with warnings. It creeps in quietly, whispering in your ear. Don't try. Don't step out. Don't risk it. And if you listen, if you let it control you, it will steal your crown before you even touch it. But hear me. Fear is a liar. Fear is smoke. Fear is shadow. It has no substance. It's only there because you believe in it. And while you bow to fear, your future slips through your fingers. Ask yourself, how many times did you stay silent when you should have spoken? How many times did you stand still when you should have moved? How many chances did fear steal from you? Enough. The lion feels fear before the hunt. The warrior feels fear before the battle. But champions move anyway. They don't wait for fear to leave. They roar louder. They fight harder. They advance even when their knees shake. Fear will always be there, but so will courage. And courage is not the absence of fear. It's the mastery of it. It's choosing to act when fear tells you to run. So today, you decide. Will you let fear steal your crown? Or will you rise, roar, and claim it anyway? The thief can only win if you let it. But if you choose to fight, if you choose to move, fear will fall. You are fire. You are storm. You are lion. Fear is nothing compared to you. Doubt is the poison you drink every time you question your worth. The world will doubt you. People will laugh. Circumstances will push you down. But the deadliest attack you'll ever face isn't from the outside. It's from within. It's doubt. That quiet voice that says, you can't. You're not enough. Who do you think you are? That voice is poison. And every time you drink it, every time you listen, you weaken yourself. You let destiny slip further away. Understand this. Doubt has destroyed more dreams than failure ever will. Because failure can teach. Failure can build. But doubt? Doubt kills before you even start. You must learn to silence the voice, to rise above it, to replace doubt with belief. Champions are not men who never doubted. They are men who moved forward anyway. Men who looked in the mirror and said, I am chosen. I am ready. I am built for this. Every rep you push through doubt, every step you take when your mind screams, stop, is proof that you are greater than that voice. And the more you move, the quieter it gets. You are not small. You are not weak. You are not average. You are fire. You are king. You are warrior. Stop drinking poison. Start drinking power. Your destiny does not belong to doubt, it belongs to you. Procrastination is war, and most men lose before they even fight. You say tomorrow. You say later. You say one day. But tomorrow is a lie. Later is a thief. One day is where dreams go to die. Procrastination is not harmless, it's war. And every time you delay, every time you wait, you hand the enemy your future. You lose ground before the battle even begins. Look at your life. How many opportunities slipped away because you hesitated? How many doors closed while you waited for the perfect moment? The truth is, the perfect moment doesn't exist. The clock doesn't stop for anyone. And while you wait, your crown is being stolen. You cannot wait. You cannot stall. Your destiny is calling you now. Every second you hesitate is a second you'll never get back. Champions don't wait. Lions don't wait. Warriors don't wait. They move, they act, they take ground. You want success? Move now. You want change? Act now. You want freedom? Fight now. Not tomorrow. Not later. Not one day. Now. Procrastination kills kings before they wear their crown. But urgency creates warriors. Urgency makes legends. Urgency turns dreams into reality. So hear me. Rise now. Move now. Speak now. Build now. Stop waiting for the stars to align. You are the star. You are the storm. You are the fire. The war is here. The clock is ticking. And greatness will not wait for you.